Okay, today, starting the new chapter notes, we're using the subjunctive to talk about things that are non-existent or, like not as sure if it exists or not, basically. Remember how we've always used the subjunctive to talk about things that are wishy-washy, give your opinions, or unsure of the outcome when we use conjunctions. Same thing applies here. If you want to say something may not exist, you're not sure if there's anything out there that applies to that. Like, no hay orquesta que me guste. There's no orchestra that I like. So it means that there might be an orchestra out there, but as of right now, I'm not sure if there is one. So there may not be one that you like at all. Does that make sense? Or it may not exist, so it makes it wishy-washy. We use the subjunctive with it. Okay. The thing or the person, it probably doesn't exist. There is no orchestra. It probably isn't out there. There is a small fraction possibility it could be, but there's probably not an orchestra that I like. You okay with that? All right. Basically, the orchestra may not exist. I already said that. So here are some expressions that we have from our vocab. How many of them are there? 4 or 5? 4. Okay. No hay blank que, so the no hay orquestra. No hay nadie que. ¿Qué significa no hay nadie? There's no one. There's no one. And no hay nada.
It's nothing.
There's nothing. And no hay ningún. Anybody know that one? This is like none. Okay, just ningún, none. And with the first one and that last one, you have to put in a noun there. Like there is no orchestra, or there are. It sounds funny in English, like none possibilities or no possibilities. We just say no possibilities. The first one and last one can kind of be used intermixed. Let's do some examples. Okay. Alrighty. So. We can also use these with the subjunctive and that subordinate, meaning that second half, when things are indefinite or uncertain. So things that may not exist was the first reason, or things that are uncertain. And we've talked about certainty. Buscamos músicos que sepan tocar música bailable. We're looking for musicians that know how to, that should say play, not lay, dance music. So it's saying that we need these musicians. Do we know if they exist or not? We don't know. Okay, we're looking for some, but we don't have them yet. It's indefinite or uncertain if we can find them. We're looking for some musicians that know how to play dance music. Okay, so we're not sure if these musicians exist or not. Oops, let me go back. Maybe. Oops, I went too far. Sorry. Okay, so we used the word buscar to look for. So this first half of the sentence kind of set up the scene of uncertainty. They're not sure, but we're looking for these musicians. Okay, saber is the verb to know how to do something. So they say sepan, and then to play dance music. All right. Questions so far? All right. Okay. So here are some other expressions that we use. We have all those no hay de que, and now we have buscar, querer, necesitar. We're looking for, to want, or we need. Hay algo or hay alguien. Is there something or someone that? So we could say, is there something that Nancy can take to cure her cold? Okay, is there something? Okay. I'm looking for a doctor that can help Gabriela. All right, there may not be one, but I'm looking for one to help her out because she's not feeling well. Conoces alguien que? Do you know somebody that climbed Mount Rushmore? All right, these are all things that you're not sure of the outcomes. So it's conoces a alguien. Tienes algo que? Do you have something? And do you have something that will help the Chiefs win the Super Bowl next year? Okay. Is there another one? No, I don't want to get 2 extra clicks.
We all know it's true.
Preguntas? Doing okay?
Yeah.
All right. So let's look at actividad 5, and I'll give you the first one. It's just it's giving you an expression already, and then you use trabajar to complete it. So hay alguien que trabaje de voluntario en un comedor de beneficencia. Is there somebody that works as a volunteer at the soup kitchen? So we don't know, but is there somebody? That's why it's subjunctive. So página 210. 210. And it doesn't give you the expression, but I think we're using no I or I algae. Let me double check. Yeah, just use I algae in all of them, and you can don't scroll ahead in your notes. Just write them on a piece of paper or on a new note, and write your answers down for me, please.